Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 358 different strategies, with 114 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 255 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,034 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says detecting market cycles with the Hilbert indicator. And so little bit of information there, but still kind of left it with a kind of cliffhanger into the sentence there. Basically the source video goes on to show the Hilbert indicator, or the Hilbert transform indicator, and then explains how it is used to identify the market cycle, and goes into more detail on how the indicator itself works. We won't really go into much detail about that at all, just because we're more interested in testing the indicator than we are really understanding the exact inner workings of it. But what we have on screen now is going to be, like I said, the Hilbert transform. And so if you just type in Hilbert transform indicator by J, it's this one right here. Go and click on that and add it to the screen, and it'll look like this down here at the bottom, and we're going to keep that on the default settings, so don't change any of it. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be an EMA. So just type in EMA. It's going to be the moving average exponential, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We'll jump into the settings of this one. What we're going to do is change it to a 200 period, and then in the styles, you can change it however you wish. Kept it blue and bumped up the line weight just a little bit, so that way it's a tad bit easier to see. And so what the source video explains is that we are looking for the cross of the two lines of the Hilbert transform indicator, and then we're going to use the EMA to identify the overall trend direction of the market. And so for a long trade, what we are looking for is price to be trading above the 200 period EMA, and then we are looking for the red line of the Hilbert indicator to cross up above the green line like it does right here. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, right about so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a really nice steady climb, getting us to our take profit pretty easy. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for price action to be trading below the moving average, below the EMA, and then we are looking for when the Hilbert red line crosses down below the green line. And you can see that it does that right here. And so when that lines up, that'll be your signal to enter into a short. We're going to put a trade right here and put our stop just right above this pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, we make a really nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000 altogether. So not too bad of a result, actually. I thought in the testing process it looked a little bit clunky, and I didn't think it was going to do too great, but it turns out I was able to manage a little bit of a profit. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 46 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $11,400. So definitely better results. And I'm currently putting the final touches on a position management strategy that I'll be giving out to all of our patrons here in the very near future, which would increase the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator up to the 90%, the high 90%. And so realistically, the total profit on this testing would have been closer to $21,000 altogether. So like I said, really better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we've been developing a crypto scalping strategy utilizing the Academy of Forex indicator as well as the position management strategy that I spoke of, partially using it anyway. And so you can see some really good results on screen now from using those. If you're interested in viewing the video on the scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Just click on that. It'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Click on the one that says new crypto scalping strategy, and it'll take you straight to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.